Welcome back. Welcome back to Trading Maze. Today is August 11th, Monday. So had a great pips today. Mostly scalps because gold was bearish, but in the higher time frames it's bullish. So we have to keep an eye on that. Let's see what it'll do. But today it's shown it's a lot of bearishness. We'll discuss that and what are the trades that we took. We currently in the trade 350 trade. We're currently selling. You took it and be risk would have been risk free by now. That's given yeah more than 50 pips. So hope you are risk free. I didn't tell you in the Telegram channel, but should be risk free. Anyway, I hope you can see my screen. Hmm, okay. So let's start the session. Last week was 1000 pips a week, consolidating week. Today, the day started and it started falling down. I think it gave whole last week a morning today. If you can see, yep, this was the daily candle. 399 pay opened, 500, 400 pay touched, 400 pay opened, touched a little bit, then all the way to here. And let me see a Fibonacci level here. We expected that it could come back, no? But this would be the best buying, 60% level. Uh, let's try that. 320 level is the best buying. So I think it will happen. And this, yeah, I think, yeah, this should happen. 320, 314. This buying, we'll do this buying. It's a good buying. uh, we can capture at least 300 to 400 pips at least. It could be 1000 pips as well, so let's think about that. And whoever holding this trade can book their trades here at 325, which would be around 1000 pips. Yeah, okay. So I think that is daily time frame, to that is the analysis. We did not expect this selling to happen, but market has its way of doing things, so it did that. uh, Technically, I thought it will form a green candle, consolidating candle. That's what we discussed. But as it closed below, as it went below this level 377, I knew it will close below this level only, and this level. So that is why we took a lot of scalps, selling scalps. I sold like crazy. I sold every chance I got, and I'm still selling actually. We're in the straight. Uh, so the intuition is this is not a good selling level. This is not good buying level. This is out of nowhere. So I think this should be negated, and we should look to this. What is this level? This is 50%. This is 50%. Yeah, 338. Yeah. Okay. Good. So 338, we have 50% level, and that could be where we'll have a retracement till here 72 tak. So 338 level, I think we already placed a buy order somewhere before. I think, yeah, this is the one which we have placed, which was 140 was cut trade. uh, it happened over here, so it was scalping 140 was cut trade. Again, you can do it again. Give me a minute. Okay, so again we can buy from that level, no problem about that. And 38 pair. It will be look the RR will look something like this. Mm, So actually should be like this 1 day time frame, but let's keep it tight. I think this would be 30 40 pips ka 40 pips ka sell. Target will be this high, easily this high. If it works out, this high should be easily possible. 50, ठीक है, 50, 50 can be the first target because it's already in selling. So and 60 can be our further target. Oh, so what else? What else is this? This would be 250 whips cut rate, I think. 240 whips cut rate. That would be better. We'll capture it tomorrow or today if it comes back, comes to that level. And I don't think this is a good support level, even though it looks like a liquidity sweep candle. It's not, because there's not a good level. There is no significant level at that point. So 1 day pay, the analysis is same. 1 day pay, this would close, today's candle will close below this, which is 58. I'm definitely I definitely know that 58 के below एक close होएगा. So below that it makes this a breaker block. So you might expect some movement towards the upside from 50. I'm hoping from 50% because 60% is the level that is full-fledged buying. So 50% say I think it will test this, which is 62 our target. So the intuition is same. Intuition remains what it remains is 50% level test and gives a red green candle in daily time frame, which can be small, but it's which could be small if it's bearish, and that could just give us 250 pips, and that would be fine for a day, right? Fine for a trade. And with that, I'm thinking that's and after that we'll have selling from whatever area. Probably I'm thinking 75, 74 ka area. Yes, 75 ka area. I'm thinking you can sell. Have a great market structure and everything. 75 pay, I'll be eager to sell towards these 60% ka level. So that is the intuition. Could buy from 50%, could wait for this green candle to form, and next I think it will test this 60% level, maybe cover this fair value gap. Then we'll have a good momentum towards the upside. Yeah. So I think pretty clear, huh? Pretty clear about what we want to do. This is just like change of character. Nothing happens. So okay, it could go bearish also, but we'll know. Daily time frame pe, it will be easy to catch. It's not that difficult. Okay, and maybe trend lines. Trend lines. Saying 66. Yeah, let's see. 75 is my selling level. So 75 I will have some selling. So 15 minutes में जाके I will put that selling there. 75 is maybe take this liquidity. Should we read of the information? This liquidity. Okay, 50 bips ka. Let's give 50 bips. I think this liquidity sweep will happen. Uh, if that liquidity sweep happens and we are observing that, this would be the revised RR. And this could be very less. 30 bips. After this liquidity, red candle के बाद करेंगे ना. That will be better. That will give us 4500 bips. 1 is to 14. possible after that candle that we need, after this liquidity ka sweep and test of 50% level, and yeah, 50%, and this is a good level to good support level before 83 could be a selling level, but I don't think it will reach just now. It is after that because no selling levels if it comes back. So yeah, ठीक है. Hmm, what else? That is after liquidity, after red candle, you can place a trade above that, whatever how much pips it is, and will be risk free. So that is the intuition. But the first trade would be this, not this. This would be second trade, obviously, and this would be the first trade because I think this will reach faster than this. Whichever, if this reaches faster from here only, I don't think it will. It will reach this and this. So or maybe it will reach 60% reach this, then the targets will be lower for this selling. But if it reaches this after 50% only, then the targets are very high. 500 pips ka capturing we could do, theory wise. Okay, I have to buy this premium. uh, I'll buy tomorrow. I'll buy today, don't worry. uh, Nothing it does for us. Okay, so we are up, guys. 60 peps running. But today's cut trades, I placed it on a phone and gave you. So today's trades are this. Lot of scalps. We did a scalp from. I have to see. Where is 60, 78 per we did selling, and I should have hold it. 78 set. 78. Why did I do 78 per selling? I'll tell you why. So daily candle was bearish and it just tested these levels, and I don't think I didn't. And I told you right. So I told you that it will close below 58 or at least it's at that point only. It was almost on the bottom wick of the previous candle, previous day. Previous day's bottom wick was where here, which is 76. So 76, right? So when I was seeing that that was happening, and I knew key, so daily candle should close, and now I don't there are no supports at least. So I mean these supports, these are very little supports, not big supports. So I know now it wants to go selling, and the next buying level is down here, 50% or 50 ka level, 350 ka, which was already done. See, here already done. It'll just give wicks, yeah, like this, and then it will fall. So that was the intuition, and that's what happened. 44 pay also one thing happened. 44 is this. I think this liquidity, some liquidity swept happened, and yeah, we have this much sweep of good 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. 11th August. Okay, I have not seen that. We bought after I think this. I bought it here because yeah, it felt like a good scalp. But yeah, so that is the first trade. 78 ka selling. Intuition behind I told you. No strategy, nothing. Just the daily candles and all that information. And also this was happening. I saw this and I thought ki should I wait for liquidity or should I just book it? Should I just should I wait for liquidity or not? I should have. I actually booked around. What is this? To be honest, I booked around here only 659, 60, 180 whips only. Could have been more. I mean, all this. That is that is that is something I'll remember for the next days, I guess. So yeah, so that's one thing. 180 whips I hold it. So holding is a superpower. So after this candle, I thought I will form double top here only 60k level. So that is why I booked the second time 180 whips. But the target, you can define anything. I told you the first target was this 67. So at least more than 100 pips we captured, 180 pips. Uh, so that is a 180 pips cut trade. And another selling from what did we do? Another selling from there's buying 50 50 buying was there. 50 buying where did we do 50 buying. This one I think. 50 scalp buying we did. 50 whips ka. Only 50 whips I also did. So this was scalp buying 550 whips. Let's not put that into the charts. It's it's choppy only, but all otherwise it's fully bearish. It's looking bearish. It's fully bearish. So I sold every chance I got. Only I bought over here after this liquidity, after this good green candle. I waited for market structure to happen. This is I bought again at 50 actually. So this scalp we did, and again 50k level I bought it again, and yeah, I booked it around fair value gap cover, which is 100 pips. So this I don't know if you've done it or not, but it's a simple change of character trade. Change of character didn't happen, but market structure no. Uh, okay, it's not market structure shift. It did not close above this level. I thought it did, but anyway, that's the only thing that could happen. No? So it when it came back to this level, this market structure should be followed, and that is what it did. It followed this market structure, and this is how it went. There's one trade, 100 pips. But the main trades are these only, 180 pips and I guess this one, which is open. What? What is this? 50 pips ka kya? Sorry, I'm seeing different. Let's put it here. Yeah, 80 pips. 80 pips in the chat, guys. 110 pips ka is the target because have a little buffer with 38. 40 pe people can react. So 40 pe booking is better. 100 pips ka रखते हैं target. Good trade. I mean 50 being a support, it went into resistance and is actually falling from 52 ka this 50% level, and which the strategy tells it will take out this low. So I think you should keep it to 100 pips. ठीक है, easy trade, pretty easy. So 180 here, 100 here, and I mean not yet finished, but I know it will. So and yeah, 50 pay two times we bought. I bought two times. I don't know how many of you bought. I was telling you to buy, and we sold again from now only. Yeah, I mean the order blocks, all those strategies. Today it didn't come into picture because it was clear. It's just selling. It's went into selling, and we need to capture those sells. It's as clear as that. Right. So that is the psychology I want you guys to build. Yes, there are people who buy at here and tell कि हाँ भाई यहाँ से buy कर सकते हैं. That's all selling. See, selling, whenever selling happens, I told you it will happen fast in gold. So that should be at your back of your mind, saying कि हाँ, I didn't think कि it fell from here 400 से it fell to 370 300 pips तो हो गया, अब तो फिर पीछे आ जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा it's not like that. It's never like that. I mean, and DXY was good. DXY was going up, so that was another intuition for us. Good, good movement actually, and this movement was expected because the buying level is towards the downside. So this movement is expected. I hope you guys understand how we did today. Because this is there could be days like this where you have to do nothing, no order blocks, no strategies, nothing. It's just it's just about how you execute your trades and how well are you good at scalping or not. Right. So you should understand that if you have that level of analogy, it should be fine. I mean, if you're watching streams, I probably know you'll have that. ठीक है. I mean, what else? I mean, there are a lot of scalps. Buying के scalps also in the morning session पे 55 पे एक scalp हो गया, फिर close नीचे किया, फिर ऊपर scalp हो गया. But it always mattered after this only. So after this, what the market did was what I cared for and what I wanted, and that was after this. And yeah, I bought and I sold this 100 pips ka. So overall pay we could have done many trades selling में scalps लेते ही जा सकते हैं. But overall weekly level पे I'm bullish on gold, but daily level it's I don't be confused guys because uh, see s- I told you bullish on gold. This selling might be weekly candles bottom wick. Yes, but it, how much big of a bottom wick would it be? So that is how you should understand. So the weekly level, if you go back, it actually took weekly level ka liquidity. Right now, what it could do is it could sense these levels and close into this and then go up. That is what it will do. Believe me, that is what it will do. So that is the bottom wick I'm talking about. You should understand the intuition behind what's happening in the market. Bullish for the week. For the week, I am bullish because after this only I'm trying to buy. No, after this only this is the level where I'm trying to buy. After this, uh, yeah, we are bullish on gold. But daily level पे today was selling. Why would I buy instead of selling? Because there was buying levels तो है ही नहीं. There were no buying levels. But after this liquidity, I must be buying. So this was the buying that happened. After this, it took this that liquidity and this liquidity both. I think, yeah, both liquidity it took, and it gave some move. But it was just a scalp, buying a scalp, and that we did also. We did after later confirmation. Right. So it's a very easy trade. This day today was the easiest day to trade. तो selling ही जा रहा है sell करो क्या ही करोगे. I should have hold it from 78. Uh, it could be till 38, which is now, which I think will reach now. Maybe, let's see. If it reaches, we can buy. We can put a buy, but it will be consolidating at that position. Uh, let's see. Let's see what will happen. Maybe it consolidates at that low only. 50% level is there only, man. That and yeah, will be risk free if that comes back to that level, and that would be the best trade that we can do. Okay. Uh, I think that is the daily analysis. I mean, 4 hour maybe it's a little choppy only. And when you're trading the scalps, be aware of 4 hour levels. See what 4 hours did. Close below this level. I think this was my tipping point in the morning. So I sold from here only. That 78K level I was telling. Na? Because closing happened below and made this an order block. And now I have a lot of confirmations, that it's not going up, it's bearish, and the closing happened below. Now everything, it's the stop loss is just 83 until 83. So after this I'm out of this trade. So I should have hold it for the lot of targets, but yeah, but I did 180 reps, which is good. That is all the intuitions behind this. This also, after this opening, little bit of upside move and then it went down only. Now also. at the same time. It went. This is again liquidity का that we were talking about. 4 hour पे तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा. Just 4 hour पे no buying levels now. This buying level is already satisfied. So everything is done. 4 hour पे it's good. Now the 4 hour buying is here. 38 to as I told you 38 to 35 तक है. ठीक है. Our stop loss is kind of covering that. So 50% पे I'm expecting movement. 200 pips का तो movement आना चाहिए. So let's that be the trade. But buying, yeah, I'm expecting buying after these levels. ठीक है. So yeah, guys, great day, great day, great day. With awesome tips. You can close this trade if you want. Closing haven't below only because I'm trying to we're trying to buy in a little bit, so we would have given an 80 pips, which is not good. Okay, 100 pips तो देना चाहिए. Let's wait for that. Okay. So uh, that is all I think today. Uh, remember this day because there could be when there is no news. So there are some days where gold can do this, and this is actually repeated. No, there was some other day also Monday. I don't think it was Monday or something where this kind of move came, and after forming a lot of buying fair value gaps, only that move came because it didn't want to go down, and when there is no news and DXY is good with us, it will probably go down, and nothing you can do about it. ठीक है. So I think that's it for today. We're up. We're up into the week. Just started the week and we are up. Amazing trades. 180 pips. 180 pips one trade and 50 pips scalp. 100 pips two scalps. I mean, yeah, let's wait for this trade to close down. But overall pay, if you even calculate 80 pips, 80, 50, 130, 130, 100, 230, 230, 100 is 330 and 80, which is 410. 410 pips into the week, let's do 400 or 350 only. I think this week will be more of a 1500 a week rather than 1000 or less than that. So last 4 weeks has been above 1000 pips. Last week only we missed the consecutive hat trick of 1500 pips, but I think we'll do it this week. This week 1500 I think is surely possible, and including scabs, live stream, telegram, everything. Yeah, and excluding whatever I do. I do a lot of trades. Today I did around 7 to 8 trades. All scalps only. See, I'll tell you what are those trades also. So this is it. This is the order block, right? So now I know it won't go up because it has tested those levels, and I am very good with my position. And I thought I waited. I didn't sell from here only. I waited because it's a scalp, so I need to get as best as possible, and then I sold at the top. So if it became a breaker block, if it closed above this, that is fine. I would close just after that. But if not, this is the best level to sell from, and that is the one scalp that I took. In the same way, this also I took. This one I don't think I have taken it. But yeah, this one 50 as I told you, I took 50 X per scalp. Then this 50% ka selling also I did. Fibonacci is being satisfied, being working today. So 50%. This 50% is selling I did till 45, 345 tak kya. So all these things, when you have a lot of experience in the markets, you can do it yourself. It's nothing. Yeah, this because I was 45 also. Why 45 is a good level of that because it's that's where the liquidity was. And if it clears that liquidity and takes that liquidity and went up, that would be a buying trade. That is why I hold it. But after this move, I waited for this market structure to happen, this vola market structure to happen. When it happened, that is when we entered 100 pips again. And then we saw 100 pips still here only, 60, 50 to 60. Okay, we didn't anticipate this one. After this, yeah, this selling, I don't know what that selling was. It must be some wick for opening candles. 1915. 15. Okay. What the opening is happening in 1915. In 1915, maybe TX was doing something crazy. Yeah. So yeah, it's just started its bullish nature. That could be one thing. That could be one thing. Yes. Mm, yeah. That is all, guys. I mean, this selling you could have captured or not. I have not captured it, but I captured it after this. After this closing, I sold a little bit because as I know, this even if this is a good level till 40 double top double bottom is not there, so I waited for that double bottom to happen. Double bottom happened now, but I don't think this is a good level where it happened. If it touches this level, then I would have told you to buy, but after this level only we are going to buy. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. I mean, this selling we're already doing. What more I can tell you? Capture market as is. So the opening is a little tricky today because the dates for opening also was a little tricky. It opened like star was light stable. See, open gap down. Oh, what happened? Why did this happen? I should check. I didn't check the news. Should check it. I know everything from the charts only. How our country is playing out. How it's behaving. So I didn't bother to check it. Mm, yeah, that is mostly it. And yeah, this will do a little dancing here. The overall pay, I should get this 100 pips. Okay. So yeah, 400 pips into the week, guys. Uh, First day of the week, and we're up 400 pips, which is great. And let's make this a 1500 pip per week, and it shouldn't be very difficult because we'll have a lot of movement this week. But this week we don't have a lot of news. Let's see. Today there was no news. I knew that. Today was bank holiday. Was it? Give me a minute, guys. Yeah, guys. So a little urgent call, but yeah. So overall, that is the today. That is today. I mean, this if I wanted to explain you this, Friday, but this consolidation happened. This move happened. 60% level you could have bought. It's a 60% level actually. 60% level from here. From here to here, it's a 60% level. So we could have bought that. We could have bought that, but it happened so fast and it happened very late at night. It just happened after our streams. I felt very bad because we could have done that buying. It was 77 to 200 pips in just 5 minutes. That was good, no? Yeah. Anyway, so after that we'll have this selling opened here a little top wick, and yeah, till 400. That is a good level of selling. That is where it happened, and we have this level 78 is not a good buying level, right? I hope you know that it's not a good buying level, even though you can think of it as a double top or a double bottom, but it's not. Uh, so after this closing, we have this uh, fair value gap fair value gap formed, which we went into consolidation after a little bit. Saying the London section, it was a bank holiday. I'm just saying that. Yeah, sorry, JPY is bank holiday था. Yes, I think that was it. But anyway, gold का तो I think was pretty clear how it operated. Uh, I think I wanted it to come to this level, 390 ka. But it will come in back in the future. I'm hoping after 50 or 60% ka test. Yes, we already have trade placed there. Today we are up 400 pips. So I think by tomorrow, let's hope for a couple more pips, 300 pips more. By the 2 or 3 days, we should be able to doing 1,000 pips per week. Then 500 more pips, and we are done for the week. I think is that is our target. After 1,500 pip, I'll take a break probably. You can do trades on the side. Okay. Uh, yeah, this selling. A lot of sellings are there. I mean, selling scalps we can take if it comes back to those levels. But anyway, that's it, guys. I mean, what can I tell you? It's this is dancing a bit because DXY is falling. So a little bit consolidation. You can book it uh, after a little bit 70 80 pips तो कर ही सकते हैं. I'm hoping this should happen. Maybe it doesn't want it to happen because today it doesn't want to go to this level. Maybe I'm thinking that is why it's not happening. It wants to go to that level tomorrow, probably in the Asian session where nobody is awake and nobody is doing anything. And yeah, that is what gold will do. Gold is like that. What can we do? Right. So yeah. That's uh, that's mostly it, guys. We'll meet tomorrow again. We'll come back with the same motivation. Great day. 400 pips per day is not a joke. Absolutely stunning gold. No strategies followed today. No order blocks drawn. We still made a lot of profit. See, that is what understanding an instrument means. If you understand it in an instrument to that level of if you have that level of understanding, it will be very easy for you guys. I mean, it's just nothing, right? So yeah, that is all for today. Hope you made a lot of profits. It's a great day. We'll meet back tomorrow with the same motivation. We'll do the trades and yeah, let's make this a 1,500 pip per week. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Tomorrow, as I told you, the trades are already placed. My intuition is set. mean, there are uh, lot of things that could happen. The probability of this happening is very high, but there are a lot of other things that could happen as well, depending upon if there's a news or something. But let's see this week news anyway. Today there's nothing. Tomorrow I think CPI is there. Yeah, CPI tomorrow. So we'll have a little movement tomorrow, and day after tomorrow we don't have anything. Should have no. At night we have. No. Okay. Wednesday we have nothing. It's we have something, but it's not that volatile. But we have unemployment claims Thursday, and do we have rate cuts of the FOMC? No. So yeah, yeah, but okay, it's fine only. It would be great. Uh, anyways, can do good trades. I'm hoping so. Okay, so that's it, guys. I mean, that's mostly it. I think we'll meet back tomorrow. I'll be posting the trades. Uh, Close this trade if possible, or you can hold. You can close as well. 80 pips, just 20 pips from the target. Let's see. Let's see what it'll do. But this buying, make sure to do this buying. Okay, that buying should be done. And yeah, that's all, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Will Please subscribe to our channel, both YouTube channel, where it's Trading Maze, and we have a Telegram channel as well where I post trades every day, and we are making a lot of money. So yeah, follow our Telegram channel, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Mm, good night.